shopping carts. But we got one more night. Let's get drunk and drive around and make peace with an empty town. We can make it right. Throw me away, forget yesterday. What's the highlights?
Okay, enough of this. Go.
So this is Great Escape 2. It's been about a year. I think we're going to the Hoover Dam this time. Same rules apply. We were only allowed to tell one person. I don't think a lot of us did this time.
Yeah, I didn't tell anybody. Did you?
Oh, because Eric asked me what we were doing.
I told 2 people.
I told, yeah, and then,
So he took ours.
Okay, yeah.
I took
That's
one
fine.
of yours too.
Okay.
So what else, Michael?
Oh, dude, I couldn't hear what you said, but we'll go to the Hoover Dam. Arizona, Nevada border instead of the Nevada-California border, because we have to go to a border each time.
Alright.
Mexico next year, maybe? That's what me and Ramon are talking.
Way less driving.
Then one more thing.
Oh yeah. Every 50 miles we're going to stop. Wherever we are, it doesn't matter. We're going to take a picture.
That's a new rule this year. We still have all our CDs that we made. We made new ones for this year. It's one day. Calls are only allowed from family.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
So we had a little hiccup. We were about 30 minutes out and we had to come back. It's 10:19 now. I think we started at around 8:50 this morning.
Yeah.
And we're actually farther. We're about 10 miles, maybe like 5 miles farther than from
Yeah,
my
so
house.
we're like negative. We're right negative right now.
Negative 5 miles. And
Restart the. Yeah, I've been trying to convince my dad to give this to Michelle and get me.
He told me your whole story.
And I beat him in golf. He bet me, and then he just goes back on it. What a liar!
Alright.
we were just cruising along on our second start, and the car just started beeping, and everything just reset. So Kanal pulled off the freeway.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go check out to make sure everything's okay.
This would be our second hiccup.
It's the second hiccup of the trip.
Yeah. I think we need to drink some water. Say the Hail Mary.
Do you have a dot with 3 semicircles to the right? That's your OBC memo.
To go on the freeway. I don't want to go on the freeway.
We're
going back now. Damn it. Oh.
Is this the west?
Huh?
West.
Yeah.
Damn it! I knew I should have.
Is West is turning around, huh?
We're going back again.
Wow. You could just stop by on the side of the road, can't you?
I think he wants to stop at a gas station.
Alright.
Maybe something's going down at the Hoover Dam today.
I know.
I don't.
You know what it is? Transformers.
They're finding the Allspark.
That's why. This car's gonna transform. I just don't want to be in it when it does. Okay. Where are we? Where are we? I don't even know where we are.
Starts with an H.
Hesperia.
Hesperia.
Do people live here?
Everyone lives at the Hoover Dam.
I know.
Guy right
This is where they hang out.
there. Hesperia. Give food. Well, hello. I'm not driving. I wonder what's happening. It's Thomas! He is driving my car. It's crazy. And we got Ramon in the back, Craighead's in the back.
Drive that way. It's hot.
What happened?
already going 80?
85.
85. He still wants to go faster.
I think I'm
Impatient.
87 right now, so he's going pretty quick.
Green's legit, dude.
This one's.
Stupid. Beverly.
Away, get yesterday, we'll make the greatest escape.
Gap outlet.
Outlet. That's the one outlet.
The ride at that place is really fun.
The one other ride.
I should exit here, huh?
Yeah.
This is almost Nevada.
Almost.
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 Oh my god.
Here we go.
There it is, there it is, there it is. Again. That's Las Vegas over there. That's where my mom and my family are.
Oh.
That's where I should be. No, really, I should be home. They don't know. They don't know I'm here.
You should like leave them there.
No.
I'll teach you.
Shut up!
Oh my gosh, no. Don't even get started.
Let's just go to Hoover Dam.
You're
Where's
just being an
Vegas?
idiot.
You were being an idiot. You didn't read the
You just wanted to
directions.
get me wrong. You wanted to make
You
sure
didn't
that
read
I
the
was
directions.
proven wrong. Because you can't follow directions. You're driving.
You don't give me directions. I was like, do I turn right here? You're like, yeah, turn right on Ross. Whoa.
No, but yeah, when we're driving, it's because I'm not looking at the directions.
You're not.
It's because I'm not paying
That's a
attention.
stupid dog song.
Because I was like driving yesterday, I was like, do I turn left on Rossmore? He's like, yeah.
Because I was
And then I'm just like
listening
going, I'm like, where's Rossmore?
Where are you
And
going?
then he's like, where are you going? And I'm like, you said turn left on Rossmore, and there's no Rossmore.
Yes!
Where? Where is it? Where is it? 13 miles. That is not for a while. I keep forgetting. What time is it? 1:25. It will be 4 when we get there.
We're gonna be there for like 2 minutes, and we're gonna go home.
Does it close?
We'll make the grade.
That's not really good. No, that wouldn't be it.